I'm going to show you how to automate your Instagram outreach in under 10 minutes using AI. To do that, I created a tool called Instaworm, which is the safest AI-powered Instagram cold DM automation tool. I built this specifically for small agencies, freelancers, consultants, and service providers who want to automate lead gen and cold DMs so they can get their time back while booking a bunch of sales calls without doing all the boring work themselves. So there are 3 steps when it comes to automating your cold DM outreach on Instagram. The first step is we want to scrape some targeted leads, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Then we're going to use AI to write hyper-personalized messages so we can get very high open rates on our DMs. And then the third step is, of course, to set up the outbound outreach campaign that runs automatically while we're doing something else. Maybe you're hanging out with your friends, or you're watching some boring series on Netflix, or however you want to spend your time. Now, the first step, as I said, is to scrape some leads, and the lead scraper tool gives you access to 3 different sources. You can scrape leads from a comments of a post. You can scrape leads from the following of an account. You can also scrape leads from the followers of an account. In this case, I'm going to be scraping leads from the comment section of a post. Now, of course, the source that you use to scrape is very important. So you want to make sure you find an account from someone who already has the audience that you want to reach out to. In my case, I'm going to be reaching out to Alex Hormozi's audience because he predominantly has a B2B following, and those are the kind of people that I want to reach out to. And in fact, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Instaworm to promote Instaworm to these people. So it's this loop where I'm using this tool to sell this tool itself, which I like to believe is very smart. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look for a post that maybe appeals to some agency owners or whatever, so my business fall apart. Okay, let's just use this one. So you can see we have a bunch of people who commented here. How many comments does this have? 110. Perfect. So now I'm going to pull up Instaworm, and you can see it already detected that we have this post here. And then I can use certain filters. I can include certain keywords that these people either have left in their comment or they have anywhere in their account, in their bio. I can exclude certain keywords. Let's say that I don't want to scrape leads that have commented or have anywhere in their account a certain keyword appearing, or even I want to exclude certain usernames. I can do that. Minimum comment length, and then max leads. It also has a very cool feature which I call the enrich profiles feature, which what it does is the system goes into each user's account individually, and it also scrapes their bio, it scrapes their content, it scrapes their website, and pretty much all the information that people have there that we can then use to write that personalized message, which is very cool. I'm going to show you how to do in a second. But for now, let's just set a limit of 10 leads just so we can move faster here. I'm going to click on scrape, and you're going to see the system already started processing those leads. So it takes about 15 seconds per lead if you also want to enrich people's profiles. And the reason it takes this long, by the way, which is a really good segue into my safety point, is that Instaworm, the way it works, unlike most other AI or automation tools for Instagram, is it replicates the user's activity. So in the eyes of Instagram, it doesn't know that this is an actual automated system. It thinks that this is a real user manually taking these actions, which is why Instaworm is the safest automation tool that you can ever use to send cold DMs and scrape leads. So you can see that this is already done. So I'm going to download this list. Let me show you. So these are the 10 leads that we got, and you can see we have people's usernames, profile URLs, we have their comments, date they commented on, we have their exact information, the caption of the post, we have how many likes the post have, we have the bio of each lead, how many followers they have, how many posts they have, we have information whether or not this is a business or a personal account, we have their category, we have their website even. We pretty much scraped all the personal information that is visible on Instagram for each and every single one of those leads. Now, of course, we only scraped 10 leads in this example, but just because I want to show you that this can actually scrape a lot more leads, I'm just going to set 100 here, and I'm going to deactivate the profile enrichment feature just because I don't want it to take a while. So I'm going to click on scrape comments, and now it's going to pretty much scrape 100 comments from this post if they're actually 100 top level comments, because it doesn't actually get a reply. So it found 53 comments, and you can see how fast that was. But in any case, I'm just going to use the first list that we scraped that also includes people's bios and personal information. So now you might be wondering, what do we do with that list of leads that we just scraped? Well, this is where the personalization tool comes into the picture. So this is where we're using AI to write a hyper-personalized message that we're going to be sending out to these people. So you can see that you can actually customize this prompt, and it already has some kind of default parameters here, like use only provided lead data, avoid repetitive or generic fillers like hope you're doing well, I wanted to contact, no pitch, no links, no CTA, no spam wording. I also give it some examples, but the thing is you can actually customize this to say literally whatever you want. In my case, I'm just going to use the default prompt right here because I don't want to, take too much time kind of illustrating this for you. I'm going to load in the list of leads that we just scraped. Here we are. So it found 10 leads, and then I'm going to click on generate messages. And this is very fast. It already started going through like first lead, the second lead. While this is running, if you want to try Instaworm yourself, it currently has a 7-day free trial. So check the link in the description. Try it out in your own workflow. See if this is something that can actually work for you and how much productivity you're going to gain back from automating this workflow. And by the way, this is a tool that I'm evolving and I'm going to be adding a lot more features to it. But for the time being, this currently has a free trial and I would encourage you to go ahead and check it out, because the truth is, guys, if you're competing with someone who is automating their outreach and you're still doing it manually, you're going to lose. In the era of AI, you want to embrace technology and you want to make it part of your workflow, because the future is a small number of people in a company doing work that used to require a lot more people. And the way we get there is through technology. In any case, we've already personalized messages for these leads. So let me show you how these messages look like. Hi, Catherine. I noticed you mentioned overcoming a similar situation, which sounds empowering. Hi, Elena. Your support for Alex's videos is inspiring, and it's clear you appreciate the effort that goes into them. What aspect of his content resonates with you the most? Another one is, hello Bob, I noticed your interest in storytelling and adventure in everyday life. It's such a unique perspective. How do you find inspiration for your next stories? Of course, guys, these messages here that you see are a direct output of the prompt that I showed you earlier. So if I change that prompt and I ask it to, hey, pitch Instaworm in every single message, that's exactly what's going to do, right? So I don't want you to think that, oh, okay, this is how these messages look like. I can actually go ahead and change them here if I want to. I can make some edits. But again, this is largely or absolutely going to come down to how the prompt you use looks like. Okay, now we have that list of leads that we scraped. Now, how do we reach out to them? Well, we're going to use the outreach tool now. I'm going to create a new campaign. I'll just give this a name. I'll say test, and then I'm going to load in the list of personalized messages that we just created. And here I can configure some of the settings for this campaign. So daily outreach limit, I'm going to keep this to 30 for now. If your account is pretty warmed up, you can maybe do 50, 60. On my other account where I have about 80,000 followers, I can do maybe even 80 or 90 a day, but it's a pretty warmed up account. If you're just starting out, I would recommend like keeping it at 10. In this example, I'm going to do 30. I'm going to set the minimum delay between DMs to 30 seconds just for the sake of the video. I would recommend you not changing these three settings here, just the volume. And then I'm also going to set this to 30. So now, moment of truth, I'm going to click on launch campaign. And now the system is taking control of my computer and it's going to start sending out messages on my behalf. I promise to you, I don't have some Filipino guy behind the scenes controlling this. It's all AI running through this workflow for me, while I can actually use my computer to do anything else. I can lay back, watch a YouTube video if I want, watch a podcast. I can go hit the gym if I wanted to. I can do anything else, and I don't have to manually waste my years on Instagram doing outreach. And you can see it sent the first message, and then in 33 seconds or so, it's going to send the next message as well. I can pause the campaign if I wanted to continue it, let's say tomorrow for whatever reason. I can also cancel it if I change my mind and I want to launch a new one. Okay, so now I just loaded the next lead in I'm not controlling my computer as I said earlier. Let's hope it doesn't accidentally click on my search bar there. Otherwise I'll get exposed seriously. I'm just kidding, of course. All right, so very interesting edge case here. So this example doesn't have a send message button. So here's where most automation extensions would fail. But because Instaworm is very smart, it's going to understand that, okay, I can't really send a message to this guy. So what is it going to do? It's going to skip it and then it's going to move to the next one, right? And there is no possible way I can message this person even if I tried doing it manually. As you can see, it doesn't give me the option to. So Instaworm is not going to break here. It's just going to go to the next lead. I'm getting kind of lazy, guys. I'm not going to lie to you, man. I used to spend many hours doing this manually and it was so painful. But now with Instaworm, I don't have to do this. Let's just see it run through this lady now. Elena C. Tang. So just loaded her in, pasted the message in, and now it's going to send it. Boom. Then it's going to move to the next one. Now, the beautiful thing is, and let me know if you want me to make another video on this, I can actually run this on multiple Instagram accounts at the same time, as long as I'm using different Chrome accounts, which I do have a lot of them, believe me. So I can have 10 Instagram accounts doing outreach at the same time. The caveat is you have to keep your computer open, but the productivity gains are absolutely worth it. In any case, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a like. If you want to try Instaworm yourself, check the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video, baby.